Back to our channel. Today we're going to be regrowing some romaine, okay, but we're going to be doing this a little bit different. We're going to be regrowing in some containers, and by containers I mean by some Cool Whip containers or butter containers, okay. And this is more for people who live in an apartment, a condo, or even if you live in the city. Like I still have family that lives up in Philly. I still have family that lives up in Atlantic City. So this is more geared towards people like that, that don't have a yard. Even if you live in a house and you don't have a yard, like for my friends and family that live up in Philly and Atlantic City, they don't have a yard, even though they live in a house, okay? This is one way of growing and regrowing veggies. So what you want to do is you want to take your garden soil that is for container growing or, above ground growing, not in ground. You don't ever want to use in ground for something like this, okay, because it's not going to work. You need something that is for container growing, okay, or raised bed, okay. So you take your container, okay. I'm going to go over here to my bin and get a scoop of soil, get a scoop of compost. All right, now this has been soaking in water 4 days, 5 days, okay. And they like loose soil. So what you're going to do is you're just going to move this around. And you're just going to put it in there nice and snug as a bug in a rug. And that's it. And then you're going to say, the gyps, how's it going to drain? Take a screwdriver, turn it over, boom, boom, boom. Okay? And then you say, but gyps, I'm going to get water all over my counter. No. Take the lid that was on the container. Don't do it like as if you were to put it down on that. Flip it over, because you see, it's got this indent right here. It'll hold that little bit of water that you're going to need for it to be decent for about 2 days, okay? And that's it. So I have another head of romaine I'm going to do. Let me just fill this up. What I need. Move this guy to the side. Boop. Now this guy has only been in water for 2 days. Not bad. Not bad at all. Move this over to the side. Snug as a bug in a rug. Take a lid. Done. Alright. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I would totally love it. And if you're returning, how you doing? Thanks for watching this video. That's all for this video. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.